Our technology frees architects from all sorts of limits, both physical in the form of metal structures and emotional, structures that interfere with a person's view. We tried to remove everything unnecessary from the structure in order to make the structure only of glass, without the use of any elements that impair the visual perception of the structure. Metal profiles is being visually unattractive in glass structures. They are bringing quite a lot of problems to these systems. Because glass is a fairly energy-efficient material, and metal is much more thermally conductive, in particular aluminum. Aluminum is significantly cooled in winter, thereby cooling the premises. The sun's rays heat aluminum structures in the summer, and this heat accumulates in the room. We have achieved quite good success in terms of the energy efficiency of the structure, excluding aluminum from the design as the most problematic material and adding glass and a composite material based on glass. That's why the total energy efficiency of windows is rising up to 20% higher. Our technology can be used in any industrial and civil construction projects. They can be used on large format glazing of airports, train stations, shopping centers, and in the most standard apartment. Because our systems allow us to exclude metal from structures of any scale. Making changes to the design elements is also important for energy efficiency. We achieve the absence of optical distortions on the glass units from the outside, which improves the appearance of the buildings. Glazing itself is not a low-cost solution, but when choosing Aestech's technology, the developer saves on other things. In general, this technology is faster in installation and up to 15 to 20% cheaper than typical large-format glazing. In fact, the world is ready for the political challenges that have occurred due to Russian aggression in Ukraine, and now the whole world is opposed to this country. Yes, indeed, in Russia there were a large number of glass factories. But today, other countries are able to supply and withstand the load. Several factories were launched in Azerbaijan, Romania, Germany, Poland, Belgium, and Turkey. We believe that there is no global crisis in the glass market today. We will make all the decisions of architects that they find for application on time, despite the difficulties of an economic and political nature. We are building the largest glass processing plant in Ukraine. Glass production is also in our future plans. We want to convince architects to start considering insulated glass units not as a building material that requires additional structures, but as a self-bearing element that does not need anything else. We have made an insulated glass unit a durable, self-bearing, constructive, independent element of buildings.